Today I'm going to show you how to set your clock, and this is a 2013 Ford Escape. It's really pretty simple. All you do is you press menu, it'll go to clock settings, you press OK, then you go to set time, and it's actually 6 o'clock, so you just arrow up, and then everything else is correct. If you wanted to go to the minutes, you just press there. You can go up or you can go down. And then when you're finished, just press OK. If you want to set the date, just press that. Date's correct. So OK. And there you have it. Then you can just go back to whatever you want. Go back, press that menu, and it'll go back to the main screen. Thanks so much for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.